So the first thing that we will test is your sensation of touch and motion in your feet and ankles. So here's how we do it. Standing with your feet apart, about shoulder width, okay? We will close our eyes. 20 seconds. Okay, open your eyes. Now there's a normal amount of sway, about 12 to 14 degrees forward and back. What's not normal is if you cannot control it or you feel like you're getting wild, like you're really moving and you can't control it. Okay? Now, you might be wondering, how does that test my sensation of touch and motion in my feet and ankles? Okay? Remember, those three sources of sensation is always at the disposal of the brain. But depending on the condition, the situation, the brain relies on one or two more than the other. So in this case, our feet were apart. We were standing on a flat ground. Okay? We asked you to close your eyes, so you cannot depend on vision. And we did not ask you to move your head, so we didn't have to engage the inner ear. So in that particular case, the brain was depending mostly on your sensation of touch and motion in your legs and ankles. If you failed that test, most likely there is an issue with sensation, with strength, with motion, with stiffness in your legs and ankles. Now, there's a more aggressive way to test that.